Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and through this video I will like to show you the way how to create an aesthetic reels without showing up your face by CapCut application. So first thing that you have to do is make sure that you already record the activity that not exposing your face, and after that you just need to open the CapCut and visit the templates. And in these templates you just need to go like this search button here, like aesthetic 3 videos or whatever it is, to get the 3 grids of template, and you can just explore it into your templates. And after you find these 3 grids templates here, you just need to go click it. Use template and just choose the video that we already take before, and after that you just need to go click next. And when you're ready, go click export, go click save to device, and wait until the saving process is running. And after they're done, there will be pop up down here the several options to share this video. So if you want to make it like an Instagram reel, go click this Instagram, and it will be bring you into your Instagram account, and you just need to go click add to feed, go click next, and you're ready to upload this reels into your profile. So that is the way, guys, how to create aesthetic reels without showing up your face on a CapCut application. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.